BIOHM is the first total approach to gut health, from testing solutions for your gut to probiotics to supplements to optimize your overall digestive health and wellness. We really are a one-stop approach to optimizing your gut and your life. My father first got introduced to the microorganisms in our body doing his PhD, and what he found was that bacteria and fungi were really working together to cause issues in the gut. And ever since then, he's been studying it for over 40 years. This understanding was sort of locked in an ivory tower, and so to me, that made no sense.
My son Afif said to me, "Dad, we really need to do something to help these people who have gut issues."
Today, we have tens of thousands of customers all over the United States. If you look at our customer, it isn't a one-size-fits-all. We literally have customers that range from Olympic athletes looking for that extra inch of optimization to the mom who's the chief health officer of the home trying to do what's best for her family, to someone that has dealt with occasional digestive issues over the time and is really looking for answers and solutions. One of the things we really, in a very tangible way, is give people peace of mind, that they're able to get to the bottom of what's going on in their gut, and they can start taking those first steps through, supplementing their diet with a probiotic to really improving not just their gut health, but their lives.
I've been doing research for over 40 years now, and really what excites me is when I have discovery in the lab and I'm able to translate it to help people. And this always makes me very happy.